Man, what can you say about Wisconsin Dells? This place is majestic and so natural, simply stunning. I ventured into the side road and made it until end. I started walking towards the river and found the trail. It was very peaceful and beautiful. So much to do from shopping to adventure rides. Highly recommend the jet boat ride, the duck ride, and water ride.
So good. So good.
Here, I'm actually a teacher just north of here in Casino. Alright, let's get into the rules real quick. First rule is the most important rule out of all of them. There is no smoking being with open flames as we are sitting on two gas engines. If we want to be gliding through the water, we do not want to be flying through it. I am not that kind of captain. Second thing is going to be if you guys want to get up and take pictures, go ahead and do so. But make sure you guys are holding on to something as the boat might rock back and forth and we don't want you to fall and hurt yourself in any way. Now, if that rocking back and forth does make you look a bit queasy, people down here in the bottom, just remember, windows are open. Now, if you are
Oh, beautiful scenery. The boat ride was loud with diesel engine and sometimes hard to hear the guide, but friendly captains and we got to see Witch's Gulch and an eagle along the banks. It was really nice way to spend a cool and rainy vacation day.
Northern part of our state to make rafts that were hundreds of feet long. They would then take and float them through the Wisconsin and into the Mississippi, sometimes all the way 10 feet deep. This is also the junction of four counties.
This 5 miles stretch of river with gorges and Cambrian sandstone rock formation can be viewed by boat.
Now the formations you've seen so far and the ones you'll be seeing throughout the rest of the tour are made up of a special kind of rock known as Potsdam or Cambrian sandstone. This is
Would highly recommend for a family outing with school-age children and older ones. Yeah. Oops. So narrow it is. The divine place is so worth the drive, and of course, the boat trip is. Hope you have enjoyed this journey with us and get ready for the next trip. Bye bye.